Hi, welcome to the TP Empowers YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Tamika Payne and I'm your facilitator and host, as well as the CEO and founder of TP Empowers. Once again, I'd like to welcome you here. We are so excited to have you here. This is new and exciting. And the wonderful thing about this platform is we have an opportunity to really share knowledge and share strategies and tips with you, so that way you can take those same tips and implement them into your own personal life. TP Empowers is a company that specializes in personal and professional development, as well as coaching in the areas of leadership, education, and youth development. We have different programs that meet different needs, and we just want to be here to help you and help you to find your voice and help you to find strength in those areas, so that way you can advance yourself, whether it be professionally, whether it be as an entrepreneur, or whether it be as a better parent, a better spouse, better woman. So stay tuned here on our channel. We're going to have many exciting things going on. I really want to give you a little bit of an introduction of myself. I am a 23-year education veteran. I taught music education in Indiana. I also served as a school administrator at a high school. 3,800 kids, a lot of kids. But through that, I really learned the importance of valuing people for who they are and meeting people where they are to help them achieve those goals. And so that's what we're going to do here at TP Empowers. So here on this channel, we're going to offer different strategies. We're going to have on Tuesday nights at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we're going to have what's calling Tips on Teaching Tuesdays. And we're going to offer some information for you. So stay tuned. Make sure you stay in touch with us. Visit our website at tpempowers.com. Also, you can visit us on Facebook, and you can also visit us at Instagram as well, and LinkedIn as well. Once again, I'm just so glad you're here. I'm very excited. This is a very exciting time in our company's life. So stay tuned. Make sure you join us. Hit the subscribe button and share. Please don't hold it to yourself. Share it with a friend. Share the love. Share the wealth. So I will see you here on this YouTube channel for our TP Empowers strategy sessions. Take care. And once again, thank you for joining.